असम और नागालैंड के बीच जारी सीमा विवाद के बीच आज मोरियानी में नागालैंड भाजपा के प्रमुख तेमजेन इमना आलंग और असम के भाजपा नेता रूपज्योति कुर्मी ने मुलाकात की है और इस दौरान दोनों नेताओं ने जल्द ही सीमा विवाद को सुलझाने की उम्मीद जताई। बैठक के बाद नागालैंड भाजपा चीफ व शिक्षा मंत्री तेमजेन ने कहा कि असम और नागालैंड के बीच सीमा विवाद समेत जो भी समस्याएं हैं उसे जल्द सुलझाने के लिए कदम उठाए जाएंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि दोनों ही राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्रियों के नेतृत्व में दोनों राज्यों की समस्याओं को जल्द सुलझा लिया जाएगा।
You have had a meeting here with Rupjyoti Kurmi, and from this we can get any positive sign regarding this border issue?
No, first of all, having a meeting with the honorable leader of Moriani constituency, who is also my border associate, is in itself the biggest, achievement, because both the states' leadership under the dynamic and, like I always call, the most dynamic Himanta Biswa Sharma ji and our Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland also, Neiphiu Rio ji. This has been a constant issue which has been cropping up for many, many years. And when I speak with him and when he speaks with me, we represent our people. We represent both the states. So needless to go to everybody, but for sure, what we have talked today will just be the starting point of a greater future for both the states in resolving the border issue amiably and maintain peace, not only for today, but forever, and so that we may have development, economic security, and good relationship between both the states, especially in the neighboring areas of the border issue.
वहीं नागालैंड भाजपा चीफ तेमजेन ने कहा कि वार्ता के जरिए हर समस्या का समाधान निकाला जा सकता है।
How you like to end this conflict of this border of the two states?
First of all, I only represent a part of the border area, that is 30th Along Taki with Mariani area, where such kind of problems have erupted. We wish that in the remaining areas also, instead of catching hold of arms or getting emotionally charged up, we should sit like this. We should talk. Engagement with each other is the greatest strength. The dialogue only will bring solution. The dialogue only will open up the minds of our people to give a solution. And as you ask, how do you want it to see end? I don't want to see it end. I want it to start living with a resolved attitude, peacefully among each other, knowing very well that the people of Assam, who are neighbors of ours, are also satisfied. And even the Naga people living in the border with Assam lives happily. So that is the end and the starting of a new journey, which we want. Kurmiji and myself, with the blessings of our leaders and of our people, we have discussed and we have started. And I never knew that he is such a vibrant man and also a brother to me also in every way.
इधर रूपज्योति कुर्मी ने आज की इस बैठक के लिए दोनों राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्रियों का आभार जताया। उन्होंने कहा कि पूर्व की सरकार में इच्छा शक्ति की कमी थी।
From my part, I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, and in the same way, Honorable Chief Minister Nagaland, Mr. Neiphiu Rio ji, for their initiative only. Today, we both have a very nice meeting, and it's a very nice one, and we should say it will be a memorable one, and it will be a historic one. Because where there is a will, there is a way. We should not blame the earlier Chief Minister, but should mention that this kind of meeting or discussion, earlier Chief Minister could have arranged and amicably solved the issue. There should be some lack of will. That's why such border issue or border dispute have been continued for such a long time. I would like to thank Honorable Minister, and he is also Honorable President of BJP Nagaland State, and my counterpart MLA, Mr. Imna Alongji. He's a very nice person. Today we had a nice discussion. And though presently it's a matter of sub judice in the Honorable Supreme Court, but Supreme Court have also given the judgment and have instructed to the central and to the both Nagaland and state government that you amicably could solve the issue. So today is starting, and within a short days, I believe both the state Honorable Chief Minister will have a nice discussion, and we will be able to resolve the issue within short days.